The big difference with Motia, we could get a one-stop package. All of our telematics, all of our tacho analysis, our cameras, they're on one portal, and that is so much easier for us to manage and it can be done in a split second rather than having to go onto 5 or 6 different portals, and gives us all the data in one hit. The next step now is looking at fuel cards and tying that in. Again, it adds to the one-stop shop, and we're working with Motia in regards to an app that allows the data to be sent to the driver in real time as well.